Hello everyone, my name is Sanna Kivimäki. I work as a senior specialist in our university and I'm in charge of our development program for education and learning. Now I will be telling you about how we approach the subject of sustainable development in learning and teaching in our university. So our university, Tampere University, was formed in the beginning of 2019 when two universities, the University of Tampere and Tampere University of Technology, were merged. Currently, it is the second largest university in Finland. Our university consists of 7 faculties that you can see here. It is a multidisciplinary university. And at the moment, we have about 20,000 students and about 3,500 staff. Together with Tampere University of Applied Sciences, we form Tampere University Community. In our strategy, our purpose is defined. We work together to build a sustainable world. To achieve this, we believe that also in teaching and learning, sustainability should be approached in diverse ways and with many kinds of actions to get a profound impact. This way, all the students can choose the way how they want to learn about sustainable development, as well as the depth of expertise in these issues. In the last 2 to 3 years, during and since the merge, we have started several new multidisciplinary degree programs. 2 of these are concentrated on sustainability from different points of view. Bachelor's degree program in sustainable urban development and master's degree program in sustainable digital life. They are both also novel in the teaching methods that are used, as well as in the approach that is taken to the subject and sustainability. We are also committed to providing basic knowledge of sustainable development to all the students in our university. In our university, we have common learning outcomes that entail the general competence included in the curricula that every student completing his or her degree studies should master by the time of graduation. One of the common learning outcomes is international outlook and global responsibility, which means that upon graduation, the students should, for example, identify local and global issues related to sustainable development and their interrelationships within the ecological, socio-cultural, and economic dimensions of sustainable development. Orient him or herself to the future by identifying the consequences that decisions and choices have for sustainable development, and be familiar with sustainable development issues and ways of forming knowledge about sustainable development in his or her scientific or other field. These common learning outcomes are mainly to be achieved within the course units and theses. However, depending on the field of study, separate courses may also be offered focusing on one of these themes. We have also developed multidisciplinary challenge-based approaches to teaching sustainable development themes and more precisely, teaching skills on how to tackle real sustainability challenges in real-life organizations. One such approach has been the Innovation Challenge courses, where students from multidisciplinary backgrounds work in teams to solve challenges given by various stakeholders. Before, this approach has been used to teach business and technology-related innovation cases and design thinking. However, we have had cases related to sustainability challenges of startups, NGOs, and other organizations like the city of Tampere. One of the highlights of these Innovation Challenge courses is our Innovation Festival, a week-long event where almost 1,000 students get together and solve sustainability challenges from a wide range of stakeholders. Human rights activists or the Central Union of Agricultural Producers and Forest Owners, for example. The most remarkable impact comes from the fact that many of the student groups get their ideas utilized directly by the case-giver organizations, or some of the student groups even end up forming a startup company of their own after the week. In order to increase the understanding and skills of sustainable entrepreneurship, we have also started to offer small courses specifically on the topic. Because we believe that the entrepreneurial skills are relevant and important in order to educate the current and future generations of students to become actors of change in the society. So, in addition to the knowledge and information on sustainability topics on their own field, the students need to have the basic entrepreneurial skills to act as a change agent in their field of expertise. We are also approaching the subject via teaching methods. Since the autumn of 2019, the flipped learning method has been piloted in the technical degree programs of our university. The method has also produced better learning outcomes than the control group, but especially from the point of view of social sustainability. The method has proven to be very effective also during the COVID-19 outbreak. Encouraged by these positive experiences, the method will be tested and teachers will be trained in other degree programs as well. So here was our general overview of how we are approaching sustainability in our university. And I hope that we can discuss this further in the Learning and Teaching Forum in February.